Gotcha, didn't I? Just kidding, doll. People are fine. They're on a slow lifeboat to China. Hey, I know you two. It's that psychotic and our monochromatic friend.
Marty, he's right. Where'd he go? He was right behind us.
Alex! Come out, Alex! The boat's here! We can go home! Alex! Marty? Step out of it, Alex. The boat came back. Get out of here! Civilization and everything will be just like it used to be.
Stay back. Please.
Alex, you're no